75वें आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव के अंतर्गत बायोडायवर्सिटी डे 22 मई 2023। संयुक्त राष्ट्र ने जैव विविधता के मुद्दे के बारे में समझने और जागरूकता बढ़ाने के लिए 22 मई को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैव विविधता दिवस मनाने की घोषणा की है। जैव विविधता दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है, जैव अर्थात जीवन और विविधता अर्थात भिन्नता। अतः जैव विविधता का अर्थ पृथ्वी पर पाई जाने वाले जीवधारियों के बीच विविधता है। सरल भाषा में हम कह सकते हैं बायोडायवर्सिटी इज द सम ऑफ ऑल लाइफ ऑन अर्थ। आज हम वर्ल्ड और इंडिया की डाइवर्सिटी की बात ना करके अपने महाविद्यालय श्री टीकाराम कन्या महाविद्यालय की जैव विविधता की बात करते हैं। हमारे महाविद्यालय में अनेक पेड़ पौधे हैं, जिसमें से कुछ क्रीपर्स हैं, हर्ब्स हैं, शर्ब्स हैं और वृक्ष हैं। महाविद्यालय में अगर ट्री डाइवर्सिटी की बात करें तो महाविद्यालय में अनेक प्रकार की ट्रीज़ हैं। आइए इनके बारे में देखते हैं। पिलखन, बॉटनिकल नेम फाइकस वेरिएंस, फैमिली मोरेसी, origin it is found in Pakistan, India, Southeast Asia and Northeast Australia. Its common name is white fig and pilkhan. Special features: it provides shelter. The leaves of pilkhan are used in Thai cuisine. They are eaten boiled as a vegetable in Thai cuisine. It has two growth periods in its Indian environment, in spring February to May and in the time of monsoon rain June to September. अमलताश, जिसे हम गोल्डन शावर भी कहते हैं, बॉटनिकल नेम कैशिया फिस्टुला, फैमिली फैबेसी. The species belong to the Indian subcontinent and regions of Southeast Asia. It is also a popular ornament plant. In India, we eat flowers of amaltash. Medicine use. In Ayurveda, the amaltash tree is known as Aragveda, meaning disease killer. Ashok, botanical name Munon longifolium. Common name false ashok, ashok. Family Anonaceae. Native Ashok is native to India and Sri Lanka. Somehow the name Ashok was sucked in North India, although the real Ashok is what is also called Sita Ashok. This evergreen tree is known to grow over 20 meters in height and is commonly planted due to its effectiveness in alleviating noise pollution. The bark is smooth and dark greenish brown. Flower appear during March and April. Jamun, botanical name Syzygium humini, family Martaceae, also called bottlebrush family. Common name Java palm and jamun. It is originally from Indonesia and India. Indian mythology described the Indian subcontinent as an island situated in the center of worlds called Jammu-Deep because of majority of jamun blackberry trees. It has white fragrant flowers in branch clusters at the stem tip and purplish ovule eatable berries. The leaves are antibacterial and are used for strengthening the teeth and gum. The fruits and seeds are sweet, sour, and cooling and are used in diabetes, diarrhea, and ringworm. Neem, botanical name Azad Rashta indica, family Miliaceae. Native place, it is a native to the northeast of the Indian subcontinent. Its fruit and seeds are the source of neem oil. संस्कृत शब्द निम्बा से नीम बना है. Neem leaves are dried in India and placed in cardboards to prevent insect eating the clothes, and also in tin where rice is stored. It is used to treatment of skin disorder, hair care, burn and diabetes. बरगद, बॉटनिकल नेम फाइकस बेंगालेंसिस, यह भारत का राष्ट्रीय वृक्ष है। इसकी ऊंचाई 79 फीट तक होती है। बरगद और बेनियन शब्द अंग्रेजों ने दिए। बरगद की छांव में बाजार और हाट लगते थे, इसीलिए इसको बेनियन ट्री कहते हैं। बरगद इसको एक फ्रेंच गाउन की शेप के आधार पर अंग्रेजों ने कहा। संस्कृत में इसे वट का पेड़ या वट वृक्ष कहते हैं। It is grown in Indian subcontinent. It is a woody tree with a long lifespan. All parts of the banyan tree, fruits, leaves, roots, and barks are used in ethnomedicine. The banyan tree seeds are a rich source of carbohydrate and proteins. धार्मिक मान्यता देखें तो भगवद गीता में श्री कृष्ण जी कहते हैं कि मैं वृक्षों में वट वृक्ष हूँ। मैंगो ट्री, बॉटनिकल नेम मैजीफेरा इंडिका, फैमिली एनारकार्डेसी. It is a largest fruit tree capable of growing to a height of 30 meters. The mango is an irregular egg-shaped fruit which is a fleshy drupe. Mango fruits are green when they are unripe. There are approximately 500 varieties have been reported in India. Mangoes are mature in April and May. In some states, different varieties of mangoes are geographically indication tagged, such as in West Bengal, Malda Lakshman Bhog mango, in Gujarat, Gir Kesar mango, in Maharashtra, Alfano mango, in Uttar Pradesh, Malihabadi Dashehri. Gulmohar, botanical name Dalonex regia, family Fabaceae. It is noted for its fern-like leaves and flamboyant display of orange-red flowers over summer. In many parts of the world, it is grown as an ornament tree. Gulmohar tree is gifted with many medicinal properties. It can be used as antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and wound healing properties. It is most colorful tree. Its umbrella-like canopy looks very beautiful. People, botanical name Ficus religiosa, worshipped by Hindus and all tribes of India. Origin center Indian subcontinent. Tribes use Amgonda, Madhya Pradesh, Lipocha, Sikkim, and Bhotia, Uttarakhand. Traditional medicine system is Ayurveda, Yunnan, and Tibetan. Plant part used of people is leaf, fruits, and bark. Ethnomedicinal use of people. It is anti-ulcer, antibacterial, and anti-diabetic. Pinus. A pine is any conifer tree or shrub in the genus Pinus. Botanical name Pinus sylvestris. Family Pinaceae. The pine family is the largest conifer family. Pinus are native to the northern hemisphere. They often occurs in mountainous area with favorable soil and at least some water. We use pine in different way. Pine are also commercially grow and harvest for Christmas trees. Pine needles are also used for making decorative articles such as basket, trays and pots. जैसा कि हमने देखा, यह वृक्ष कितने उपयोगी हैं और हमारे महाविद्यालय में उपस्थित हैं। इसके अलावा अनेक वृक्ष हैं जो श्री टीकाराम कन्या महाविद्यालय की शोभा को बढ़ा रहे हैं और महाविद्यालय को स्वस्थ और आकर्षित करते हैं। धन्यवाद।